Well, hi, my name is Rich, WB5YBZ, and today I'm going to be trying out a remote software. I have a friend, N5ID. John over in Blytheville, Arkansas, has his remote station set up with the 7300. He has, the software is WFVIEW, or Whiskey Fox Victor India Echo I'm not Charlie, Whiskey. And so let's go on over the radio. Let me just show you first of all what I'm using. I'm using this little computer mic. It's a Jovio computer mic, and what I'm using is my speakers on my computer for the receiving. So with that, just want to show you what I'm just using here. One of the things, let me get back over here. One of the things that he said is that he had to contact his internet provider and have a static IP. It's a little different, but they changed it for him. I know nothing about what that means or anything, but when he did that, everything worked great. So let's go on over to the software and see who we might talk to. We're going on 10 meters. Let me tell you what he's running. He's running an Icom 7300. He's using a Mercury amp. I forgot which one it is. Mercury 3, I believe. Mercury 3S amp. He's got 6 watts input, 400 watts output. It's a solid state amp, and he's using a hex beam. So this is what I'm going to be using, and let's just, like I say, let's go on over to the radio and see how we're going to be doing. Thanks so much for watching. If you could put a thumbs up, I sure would appreciate it, and subscribe. That would help me out as well. All right, back to over to the radio or computer. We're located in Oklahoma City. I think I have you about a 5.5 to 5.7. So let's shoot it back to you and see if I have the correct call sign. India Victor 3, Quebec, kilowatt, November, WB5, YBZ.
Okay, WFVIEW, Yankee, Bravo, Zulu, 72U. Wrong, my call was actually call is Victor 3, Kilo, Quebec, November. My call is India Victor 3, Kilo, Quebec, November. And my cookie is officially. My name is Lorenzo, like Lima Oscar, Romeo Echo, November, Blue Oscar, QSL, Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu, India Victor 3, Kilo, Quebec, November, QSL.
WB5, YBZ, Oklahoma City, calling CQ and bye for a call.
Oscar Echo 3, Golf Papa Sierra. Oscar Echo 3, Golf Papa Sierra, OE3 TTS. Hi Rich, this is Marcus from Austria. You're 5 and 9 near Vienna. Microphone back to you.
Wow, you're coming in 5.9 as well. OE3 GPS. That's Sierra on the end of it, I think. You're 5.9 here in Oklahoma City. I should say Oklahoma City. There's on the software this Whiskey Fox View. Some of the things you can do is if you want to change the frequency, you can just double click that and say 28460, and you can hit enter. And of course it's already there. Another thing you can do is you could have a dial here that you can change it. This is in the 10 kilohertz and the 10 hertz, so you can adjust that. And if you want to get it down really narrow, you can go to 1 hertz, which is it takes forever if you want to go to a kilohertz away, or you can go 1 kilohertz and really move it pretty good. Another thing that I like about it is that if you hear a station, let's say on the waterfall, you can just double click it and you're there. Well, I see one on both sides. Let's just tune it.
that mobile signal is a little light at the moment, but we'll see what happens there. We're at a 5.
Well, anyway, that's what you can do. And if you want to change bands, you could just put let's just say 14. I have to double click it to get there. Let's say 14. 14. Let's say 14,300. So 14,300, and all of a sudden you're here, and there's someone talking here. So well, they quit talking. Let's go over here. So you can adjust it various ways. You also adjust your RF and your AF, your squelch. Also, you go CW, but I'm not sure how we would do a key on a remote, but I haven't tried that. You could go also FM up on 10 meters if you want to, and I guess probably 6 meters as well. Well, I thought this was a blast on this software. I sure appreciate John, N5ID, letting me use his rig and his antenna and all that. That was just a blast. This morning I used it, and it was only using 100 watts when I was talking to Austria and also to Italy and some other stations, and it was just, they gave me a 5.9 on one in Austria, and I think it was 5.7 on Italy, and another Italian station I didn't record was a 5.9, gave me 5.9, and just 100 watts with the hex beam. Of course, conditions are good. It makes a difference on 10 meters, as you know. I would recommend this software. It's free. I'll try to put a link down there. Some of the things I didn't talk about is the menu on the bottom. I try to show the different bands that I would adjust or change if I wanted to. But in the bottom menu, there's a band place where you can click the band switch or button, and you click whatever band you want to go to and then adjust your frequency on that. I didn't go into the setup because there's an IP address in there. Remember, use a static IP. You have to get that from your internet service provider in order for it to work good. With that, I'll say 73. I'll catch you later.